The 2025 F-16I Sufa Fighter remains one of the most remarkable achievements in modern military aviation, a perfect fusion of power, precision, and adaptability. Known as Sufa, meaning storm, in Hebrew, this aircraft embodies the spirit of speed and dominance in the skies. As the Israeli Air Force continues to refine and upgrade its fleet, the Sufa stands as a symbol of technological excellence, national defense, and strategic superiority. It's not just an aircraft, it's an extension of the pilot's instincts, built to outperform and outlast in any mission profile imaginable. From the first glance, the 2025 model commands attention. Its sleek aerodynamic form has been fine-tuned over the years for optimal performance in both high-speed chases and low-altitude precision strikes. The twin-seat configuration allows for unmatched versatility, with a pilot and a weapons systems officer working seamlessly to execute complex missions. The conformal fuel tanks along its fuselage blend perfectly with its lines, giving it a muscular and futuristic silhouette that hints at its incredible range and endurance. Every surface, from the sharply angled wings to the reinforced tail fin, has been engineered to reduce drag, increase stability, and provide superior maneuverability even in the harshest weather conditions or tightest combat turns. Step inside the cockpit, and the F-16I Sufa feels like stepping into the future of aerial warfare. The digital displays provide real-time data with crystal clarity, while the ergonomically designed layout ensures that every control is at the pilot's fingertips. The hands-on throttle and stick configuration gives pilots full control without distraction, and the helmet-mounted sighting system allows them to lock onto targets simply by looking in their direction. The second seat adds another layer of operational capability, allowing one officer to manage weapons and sensors while the other focuses entirely on flight and tactical execution. The interior is compact yet incredibly efficient, a cockpit designed not for comfort but for complete control in the chaos of combat. When it comes to performance, the Sufa's reputation speaks for itself. Built to operate in diverse conditions, from desert heat to stormy skies, it combines agility with precision in a way that few aircraft can match. The F-16I is capable of reaching supersonic speeds with ease and can maintain incredible stability during high-G maneuvers. Its radar systems are among the most advanced in the world, capable of tracking multiple targets simultaneously and providing detailed threat assessments. Whether it's engaging in air-to-air combat or conducting long-range precision strikes, the Sufa delivers results with pinpoint accuracy. Its adaptability allows it to carry an impressive range of weaponry, from air-to-air missiles to smart bombs, ensuring it's prepared for any mission type. One of the defining strengths of the F-16I Sufa is its exceptional safety and survivability. It's equipped with advanced radar warning receivers, electronic countermeasures, and jamming systems that help it detect and evade enemy threats long before they become critical. The aircraft's flight control systems are designed with multiple redundancies, ensuring stability and control even in the event of system failures. The reinforced canopy provides superior protection, while the pilot's ejection system has been tested and refined to ensure survival in even the most extreme conditions. In modern combat, where reaction time and situational awareness are key, these safety features give pilots the confidence to operate aggressively and decisively. But what truly sets the 2025 F-16I Sufa apart from other fighters is its integration of Israeli-developed technologies. Over the years, Israel has continuously enhanced the aircraft with domestically designed avionics, sensors, and weapon systems, transforming it from a capable platform into a world-class combat system. The Elbit system's helmet-mounted display, for instance, revolutionizes targeting by allowing pilots to engage threats just by looking at them. The Lightning and Rexelit targeting pods give the Sufa superior surveillance and strike capabilities, making it an essential tool for both offensive and defensive missions. The integration of smart, networked systems enables real-time communication and data sharing between aircraft and ground control, giving the Sufa a decisive edge in multi-domain warfare. The aircraft's long-range capability is another critical advantage. With its extended fuel capacity and efficient aerodynamic design, the F-16I can conduct deep strike missions far beyond traditional limits. This endurance gives commanders unparalleled strategic flexibility, whether striking distant targets, performing reconnaissance deep inside hostile territory, or maintaining air superiority over extended operations. It's this combination of reach, speed, and reliability that has allowed the Sufa to remain a cornerstone of Israel's air defense strategy for nearly 2 decades. In 2025, the Sufa continues to evolve with cutting-edge upgrades. Enhanced radar systems, improved electronic warfare suites, and upgraded mission computers keep it relevant in an age dominated by fifth-generation aircraft. While stealth jets may grab headlines, the F-16I maintains its edge through adaptability, cost-effectiveness, and combat-proven reliability. It's a fighter that doesn't just rely on stealth, it relies on brains, speed, and flexibility. For nations that can't afford fleets of next-generation aircraft, the Sufa represents an ideal balance between performance and practicality, a fighter that delivers modern capabilities without the astronomical costs of newer designs. The price of the F-16I Sufa hovers around $70 million per unit, depending on customization and equipment. For that investment, Air Forces get an aircraft capable of executing a wide range of missions, from dogfighting and interception to deep strikes in electronic warfare. Its cost-effectiveness comes not just from its purchase price but from its operational reliability. Low maintenance requirements, long service life, and proven adaptability mean that the Sufa continues to perform at peak efficiency even after years of deployment. In a world where defense budgets are under pressure, the Sufa offers the rare combination of affordability and world-class capability. Beyond the numbers and specifications, the F-16I Sufa represents something deeper, the evolution of partnership and innovation. It's a testament to the successful collaboration between Israeli engineers and international aerospace experts, resulting in a machine tailored perfectly to the unique challenges of modern air combat. It's fast, fierce, and intelligent, designed not just to fight but to dominate in every mission environment. From intercepting incoming threats to delivering precision strikes under cover of night, the Sufa embodies reliability, resilience, and technological mastery. As the skies become more contested and warfare more complex, the F-16I Sufa stands firm as a reminder that even in 2025, experience, adaptability, and innovation can outmatch raw stealth and novelty. It's not just a fighter, it's a legend that continues to evolve. With its striking presence, advanced systems, and flawless combat record, the Sufa remains one of the most trusted and formidable aircraft ever to take flight. For the pilots who fly it, it's more than a machine, it's an extension of their skill, courage, and willpower, a true storm in the skies, and a guardian of the nation it protects.